Canva.com, sign up in the top right hand corner, use your email, paste that in. You will receive a code to help you finish signing up. We'll choose small business, and you can tailor Canva to your industry. Just skip that for now. You can pick it later on. How big is your company? And which of these work goals? If you skip it, you won't be able to continue. So you skip. Nope, we've missed this one. So we just choose one for now. Let's create visual docs and presentations. Continue. We'll start a free trial and we're in. Possibilities await as quickly and easily as that. So let's start creating.